this is my front panel. As you can see, there is a plate going in middle, and I have two collar, like one collar, and of course need two pieces of fabric, and sleeve it. It's going to be a 3/4, and I haven't thought about how I'm going to finish this hem. Sometimes I may be using like roll up with a tab. We'll see how it goes, and I'll show you a long capture later on. And this is back, and of course there is a placket as well, like this. So those are the fabric panels we need. Let's start them. This is my thread color, and I'm winding my thread to the spool. So this is how I'm going to start my opening cuts. Mark 1/2 inch from both edges to find the point where it is stay exactly like this. Do a cut marks up to the points where I marked. Now attach front plackets. First attach the bottom part, which is the short side. After that, pin it like this to make the placket form. This is the way it look like once you finish the top stitch. So after you finish both placket sides, this is the fun part. You go to overlap, and like this, because there is a pleat underneath, I go to make the pleat first. I'm going to make like a box pleat. You just fold like this and make a top stitch like I'm showing you. Now I go to open the box plate and make a top stitch while putting the hanging bit inside. Now finishing the plackets, put the short side first underneath the long placket like this, and do a nice top stitch around the placket. There it is. I finished my placket. This is how I finish. Box plate underneath. I need to remove the run stitch underneath as well. So this is it, and attaching shoulder seams. After that you go to attach the sleeves, and the side seams. It is easy afterward. Same time I finish my collars and go to attach. Since I have done collars many in videos, I didn't record this part. Just trim it off and attach the collar as you do normally. As you can see, there is no collar stand, just a collar bit only. So you got to finish it very neatly on the placket and around the neck. After that, I need to finish my sleeve. I attached the sleeve tab. I'll show you it in another video. This is the final look. I hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, bye for now. See you. Bye.